Hey everyone, it's Jim from Gear Grabber. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest strategies to skyrocket your affiliate marketing game. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your success, something that can be a complete game-changer: audience segmentation. We're not talking about just vaguely understanding your audience. We're going to pinpoint exactly who your ideal customer is, what makes them tick, and how to tailor your entire approach to resonate with their needs and desires. Trust me, this is going to be a goldmine of actionable insights, especially if you're just starting out as an affiliate marketer. Throughout this video, we'll explore the power of leveraging your e-commerce and internet marketing data to generate a laser-focused target audience. We're talking about maximizing engagement, seeing those conversion rates soar, and ultimately, boosting those affiliate earnings. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundational layer of audience segmentation: demographics. Now, this is all about understanding the quantifiable characteristics of your audience. Think of it like this. You're building a profile of your ideal customer, one data point at a time. We're talking age, gender, income level, location, education, occupation, all those essential details that paint a picture of who your audience really is. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, this seems pretty basic, but trust me, you'd be surprised how many marketers skip over this crucial step. Let's say you're promoting a fitness supplement brand. Are you targeting everyone under the sun? Nope. You'd likely segment your audience into groups like young adults, maybe 18 to 35, who are all about those performance boosters, and then another group for seniors, perhaps 60 plus, who are looking for wellness and joint health products. See how that works? And it's not just about guessing. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and even your email marketing platform to gather this demographic data. Look at your website traffic, analyze your social media followers, dive into your email list. There's a treasure trove of demographic information waiting to be uncovered. Once you have this data, don't just let it sit there. Use it to refine your messaging, tailor your ad creatives, and even choose the right platforms to reach your audience. Remember, the more relevant your message is to your audience, the higher your chances of grabbing their attention and converting them into loyal customers. For example, if you discover that a significant portion of your audience consists of young adults interested in sustainable living, you can tailor your affiliate promotions to highlight eco-friendly products and brands. Similarly, if you see a large segment of your audience is located in a specific geographic region, you can personalize your messaging to resonate with their local interests and preferences. The key here is to go beyond the surface level. Don't just look at age or location in isolation. Combine these demographic factors to create detailed buyer personas that represent your ideal customers. Give them names, backstories, even motivations. The more you understand your audience on a personal level, the more effectively you can connect with them through your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, it's not about casting a wide net and hoping for the best. It's about precision targeting, and that all starts with understanding the demographics of your audience. So dive deep into your data, analyze those numbers, and start building a crystal clear picture of who you're trying to reach. Now that we've covered the importance of demographic segmentation, let's move on to another crucial piece of the puzzle: geographic segmentation. This one's all about understanding where your audience lives, breathes, and most importantly, shops online. Think about it. Someone living in sunny California probably isn't interested in buying a heavy winter coat, right? That's where geographic segmentation comes in. By targeting users based on their location, you can ensure that your affiliate offers are relevant to their needs and interests. This could be as broad as targeting by country, or as granular as focusing on specific zip codes. Let's say you're promoting an e-commerce store that sells ski equipment. You wouldn't waste your time and money showing ads to people living in Florida. Instead, you'd focus your campaigns on regions with high winter sports participation, like Colorado, Vermont, or even certain zip codes in the Alps. But geographic segmentation goes beyond just physical location. You can also consider factors like climate, local trends, and cultural preferences. For example, If you're promoting travel packages, you might target users in colder climates during the winter months with offers for tropical getaways. And here's a pro tip: leverage geo-targeting features offered by advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. These platforms allow you to display ads to users based on their physical location, ensuring that your message reaches the right people at the right time. But it's not just about paid advertising. You can also use geographic segmentation to personalize your website content, email campaigns, and even your social media posts. For example, you could create blog posts or videos that highlight local events or attractions related to your affiliate products. Remember, the more relevant your content and offers are to your audience's location, the more likely they are to engage with your brand and make a purchase. By understanding the unique needs and preferences of different geographic segments, you can tailor your affiliate marketing strategy for maximum impact. So, don't underestimate the power of geographic segmentation. It's a powerful tool that can help you refine your targeting, boost your conversion rates, and ultimately, increase your affiliate earnings. Take the time to analyze your audience's location data and use it to create hyper-targeted campaigns that resonate with their specific needs and interests. Alright, we've covered the who and the where of our audience. Now, let's get into the really interesting stuff: psychographics. This is where we dive deep into the minds of our audience, understanding their values, beliefs, interests, and lifestyles. This is about going beyond the surface level and uncovering the why behind their purchasing decisions. Think about it. Two people might share the same demographic profile, same age, location, income level, but have completely different psychographic profiles. One might be a fitness enthusiast who values healthy living, while the other might be a foodie who loves trying new restaurants. See how understanding these psychographic differences can dramatically impact your marketing message. Let's say you're promoting a fashion retailer. You could segment your audience based on their fashion sense, those who follow the latest trends versus those who prefer classic styles. You could even segment based on their shopping motivations. Some might prioritize affordability, while others might be willing to splurge on luxury brands. So, how do you gather this valuable psychographic data? Well, you can start by looking at your website analytics. What blog posts are people reading? What products are they browsing? You can also use social media listening tools to see what your audience is talking about online. What are their interests? What are their pain points? Once you have a good understanding of your audience's psychographics, you can start tailoring your affiliate marketing efforts accordingly. For example, if you're promoting travel packages and you discover that a large segment of your audience values adventure and unique experiences, you might focus on promoting off-the-beaten-path destinations and activities. You can also use psychographic segmentation to craft more compelling ad copy and content. Instead of just listing product features, highlight the benefits that resonate with your audience's values and aspirations. For example, instead of simply saying, "This backpack is waterproof," you could say, "This backpack is built for adventure, so you can explore the great outdoors without worry." Remember, people connect with brands that share their values. By understanding your audience's psychographics, you can position your affiliate products and services in a way that aligns with their beliefs and aspirations, building stronger connections and driving higher conversions. We've covered demographics, geographics, and psychographics, but now it's time to talk about the goldmine of audience segmentation, behavioral data. This is all about understanding how your audience interacts with your brand, their past purchase history, website browsing behavior, and overall engagement level. Think of it this way: demographics, geographics, and psychographics paint a picture of who your audience is, while behavioral data reveals what they do. And as we all know, actions speak louder than words, or in this case, demographics. So what kind of behavioral data should you be tracking? Everything. From website visits and page views to email clicks and purchase history, every interaction provides valuable insights into your audience's preferences and purchase intent. For example, you can segment your audience based on their purchase frequency. Are they one-time buyers or loyal customers? You can also segment based on their average order value. Do they tend to buy high-ticket items or stick to smaller purchases? You can even segment based on their preferred device. Do they browse on their mobile phones, desktops, or tablets? Once you've gathered this behavioral data, you can use it to create highly targeted campaigns that nudge your audience further down the sales funnel. For example, you could set up email automation workflows that send personalized product recommendations based on past purchases or abandoned cart items. Here's another powerful tactic: retargeting. Let's say someone visits your website and browses a specific product category but doesn't make a purchase. With retargeting, you can display ads for those same products or related items as they continue browsing other websites, keeping your brand top of mind and increasing the likelihood of a conversion. Remember, behavioral segmentation is all about understanding your audience's actions and tailoring your messaging accordingly. By analyzing how they interact with your brand, you can predict their future behavior and create campaigns that anticipate their needs and desires. Now that you've mastered the fundamentals of audience segmentation, let's explore some advanced techniques that can take your targeting to the next level. These strategies go beyond basic demographics and delve into the nuances of customer behavior and life cycle stages. One powerful approach is customer life cycle segmentation. This involves dividing your audience based on where they are in their journey with your brand. Are they new leads who just discovered your content? Are they active customers who regularly make purchases? Or are they lapsed buyers who haven't engaged with your brand in a while? By understanding these life cycle stages, you can tailor your messaging to meet their specific needs and motivations. For new leads, you might focus on educational content and introductory offers to build trust and familiarity. For active customers, you might offer loyalty rewards and exclusive discounts to encourage repeat purchases. And for lapsed buyers, you might send targeted win-back campaigns with special incentives to re-engage them with your brand. Another advanced technique is customer value segmentation. This involves identifying your most valuable customers, those who generate the most revenue and have the highest lifetime value, and treating them like VIPs. You can identify these high-value customers based on their purchase frequency, average order value, and overall engagement with your brand. Once you've identified this segment, you can shower them with exclusive perks, personalized recommendations, and early access to new products or promotions. By focusing on your most valuable customers, you can maximize their lifetime value and turn them into brand advocates who spread the word about your business. Remember, it's often more cost-effective to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different segmentation combinations. You can combine demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral data to create hyper-targeted segments that align with your specific marketing goals. The key is to continuously analyze your data, test different approaches, and refine your segmentation strategies over time. Remember, audience segmentation is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of understanding your audience and adapting your approach to meet their evolving needs and preferences. And there you have it, a deep dive into the power of audience segmentation for affiliate marketing success. We've covered everything from basic demographics to advanced techniques like customer lifecycle and value segmentation. Remember, understanding your audience is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for any affiliate marketer looking to maximize their earnings. By segmenting your audience and tailoring your approach, you can deliver the right message to the right people at the right time, resulting in higher engagement, increased conversions, and ultimately, a more successful affiliate marketing business. So, don't wait any longer. Start implementing these audience segmentation strategies today and watch your affiliate earnings soar. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing gold, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, if you have any questions or need help getting started, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, happy segmenting!